Well, for the month of August, Georgia has seen more than 82,000 new cases of COVID-19.
And as we head toward a new month and also the Labor Day holiday, I checked with our partners, the data analysts at IPC Global and Alpharetta, to see where Georgia stands with its trends in coronavirus data.
August is trending in the right direction for sure.
Mark Meersman, a managing partner at IPC Global, likes what he sees.
In the whole month, we're down 40% from where we were.
August started with logging more than 3,500 new cases a day. That number has dropped to now just over 2,100 daily new cases in Georgia at month's end. Alpharetta-based IPC Global has tracked the COVID-19 data since the pandemic started and believes we have a way to go to return to May-like numbers, which showed around 1,000 new cases a day and roughly 25 COVID-related daily deaths. The 21-day trend shows new case increases happening in smaller Georgia counties like Bulloch, Baldwin, Clarke, Chattahoochee, and Hall. And these counties show a dramatic drop over the month, up to 8 less daily cases of COVID-19. And though Fulton and Dekalb counties are showing a decrease in death rate, August saw the number of deaths increase statewide.
We increased 42%, or we've increased to around 67 deaths per day.
And remember how we saw the numbers bump up after the 4th of July holiday? Well, Mark and I spoke about how we hope to not see that happen after the Labor Day holiday, all because of lessons learned. Wear a mask, social distance, know the symptoms, right? He also noted that since schools have returned to instruction, some of them face-to-face, others virtual, data has not shown a marked spike in cases in Georgia.
Many of your friends probably talking more about colon cancer after the death of Black Panther star Chadwick Boseman.